Hello, boys and girls. Miss Hannah here. I will be going over today's math lesson. It's lesson 13-4, add and subtract on a number line. I am on page 779. I will go over the first two pages with you, and then you will work on the independent practice pages on your own. Those pages are 781 and 782. After you are done with the independent practice pages, you will be able to take your quick check. All right, so let's get started. I'm on page 779. Up on top right here, where it says solve and share, it says, Amelia walks 18 blocks on Monday and 5 blocks on Tuesday. How many blocks does she walk in all? Use the number line to show how many blocks Amelia walks. Then, write an equation to show your work. All right, so before we start, we got to ask ourselves, what are we asked to find? We're asked to find how many total blocks Amelia walked. So before we do that, let's think about what we already know. Well, we know that Amelia walked 18 blocks. I'll underline that here. She walked 18 blocks on Monday and 5 blocks on Tuesday. Okay, so we're supposed to use this number line to find out how many blocks she walked in all. Well, first, I'll start by going to the 18 mark, the 18 tick mark, all right? So let's see here. We first start at 0, right? Next number next to that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 is right here. It's in the middle of 15 and 20. Okay, so I can mark or draw a line up to 18. And that's how many blocks she walked on Monday. Now, on Tuesday, she walked 5 blocks. We have to find how many blocks she walked in all. So I know that means I'm supposed to add. So this is going to be an addition problem. So I will just do 18, and then I will add on 5 more blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which is right here. And I land on, here's 20. After 20 is 21, 22, 23. I will circle that. I'll label that 23. And then I'll write my addition equation. It says, I first started with 18, and then I added 5 more. Then I got 23. So Amelia walked 23 blocks in all. And that's how I used a number line to help me solve, to help me find what 18 plus 5 equals. All right. On the back side, this is what they showed on the video that you were supposed to watch from the math website. It says Amelia walks 17 blocks before dinner. She walks 8 blocks after dinner. I'll underline that. How many blocks does she walk in all? That's our key word right there, in all. I know that means I have to add. So this is going to be an addition problem. So the purple line right here shows how many blocks Amelia walked before dinner, because I know that it landed right here on the 17 tick mark. And then they added on 8 more blocks, which got them to 25 blocks in all. So she walked 25 blocks in all. And the orange line right here shows the 8 blocks that she walked after dinner. All right, we can also use an open or a number line when we subtract. So with this problem right here, it says Amelia buys 17 feet of rope. She cuts off 8 feet of rope to make a jump rope. How many feet of rope does she have left? Okay, so she first buys a jump rope, buys 17 feet of rope actually. So this purple line right here shows the 17 feet of rope. It says she cuts off 8 feet of rope to make a jump rope. So knowing that, because it says she cut off, I know that I'm going to subtract. So from the 17, we take off 8, and we get to 9. So then the problem will be 17 minus 8 equals 9. 9 feet of rope left. So that's how you can use a number line to add and also to subtract. So we can do number one and 2 together. Number 1, the problem says 21 plus 7 equals what? Okay, well I see there's this long line right here. That must end at 21, which it does. And then since we are adding on to the first number. I'm adding on 7 more. So from 21, I'm adding 7 more, and I get to 28. As you can see right here. 28. So this long line shows 21, and the short line right here shows 7. 21 plus 7 equals 28. Now I can also use a number line to subtract. The problem, 28 minus 14. I will first start or go to 28 starting from 0. So I will draw a line from 0 all the way to 28. So I know 28 is somewhere right here, 25, 26, 27, 28. So I'll just label that 28 so I know where to stop. Right here. That's 28. Make that a little bigger for you guys. All right. And now it says I need to subtract 14. So from 28, I will subtract 14. So I can leave like that so I know. So from here, I'm subtracting 14. I can just count backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and I land right here. I'll just draw that line so I know. And what number did I land on? Well, it's one number less than 15, because I know it's before 15. So that must be 14. So 28 minus 14 equals 14. And that's how I used a number line to subtract. For the do you understand, it just says explain how to add 14 inches and 11 inches using a number line. So I know if I were to use a number line, I would first have to draw and label a number line that starts at 0. So I can write that down for you right here. So draw and label a number line that starts at 0, then draw an arrow from 0 to 14. Then I know I need to add 11 more inches. then add 11 more from 14. So if I were to do that right here, start at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right. So if I first start with 14, I will draw a number line all the way to 14, which is right here. 1 less than 15. Then I will add 11 inches. 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I'll end at 15. So then I will make sure to stop at 25, I'm sorry, not 15. So the sum is 25 inches. All right? Okay. So I just went over the first 2 pages with you. Right now, it is your job to work on the independent practice pages. Those pages are, again, 781 and 782. You will work on numbers 3 through 10. And you will be doing the same thing as what we went over on the first 2 pages. There's some higher order thinking questions too. All right, boys and girls? After you are done with the independent practice pages, you will be able to take your quick check. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!